Oh, look at this cute little sweetheart getting comfortable on the printer. Just look at that. She uses that little part that's raised back there kind of to rest her head on. Yeah, this is one of her favorite spots in the summer. I'm not sure why, but she just likes to sit up here in the summer. Look at that face. Look at that sweet little face. I mean, that really brightens one's day to see that. Oh, look at this. She's going to try and get in a more comfortable position. Yeah, there's her little tootsie sticking out. Yeah. Oh my goodness. That is really a yawn, isn't it? Yeah, she's getting all stretched out here. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. She's looking upstairs. I wonder if she's thinking about going up there. Could be. Yeah, she's sort of right on display here, looking really cute. You can't help but see her here. Yeah, this is quite a nice spot. She likes sitting there, and I like seeing her there. And it keeps the printer all dusted off. The rest of the year, dust might accumulate there. But in the summertime, she goes up there so much it keeps it nice and clean. And then her tail takes care of the side. Look at that. Well, looks like she's trying to get comfortable again. I'll just let her get back to taking her nap.